Alright, let's go over this. How do you make 1.5 a fraction? You make it 1.5 over 1. I know, crazy. But there's a decimal still in there, so you have to remove the decimal. So I'm going to multiply by 10. 10 over 10 gives me, if you have 10 people that have $1.50, you're going to get 15 over 10. And if you reduce 15 over 10, that's really 5 times 3 over 5 times 2. So your reduced fraction is 3/2. Raise your hand if you got 3 over 2. Great. So let's put that here. And the reason why is we're going to need that. Okay. Here's the hard question now. Ready? What is your B value? What is your B value? The temptation for the student is to think, well, first let's use this 3/2. Let's use our foldable here. 3/2. We already know it's 1.5. What's going to happen? Compress or stretch? Is 1.5 between 0 and 1? Or is it greater than 1? Let's write that down. Horizontal compression by a factor of blank. Okay? Now we need to figure out the blank by figuring out our B value. So the formula we have is 1 over B. That means 1 over B, I'll use capital because it's 1 over B equals 3 over 2. Now, this is not B. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take the reciprocal or flip it. But if I flip one side, I have to flip both sides. So you have B over 1 equals 2 over 3. So that means, class, my B value is equal to 2/3. My B value is equal to 2/3. So let's write down here 2/3. All right, here's what we need to do now. We need to take our x values, divide it by 2/3. You can also think of it as 0.67. Zero divided by 0.67 is 0. So I take that value, right? And the parent function says to square it. So 0 squared is equal to 0 is my output. My input was the x value. So 0, 0 is still my coordinate. Okay. If I divide 1 by 2, by 2/3. 2/3 is 0.67. You can just put that into your calculator. So this shows you why 1 divided by 0.67 gives me approximately 1.5. So let's do this in purple. This is about 1.5. And if I square 1.5, the reason why I kind of round it back up, because this is really 2/3, and that it'd be kind of complicated to show you guys the fraction part. So our x value was 1, and our output is 2.25. All right, you guys tell me the next step. Let's do this one. What do I do? Divided by 0.67. So let's put in our calculators. 2 divided by 0.67. That's approximately what number? Approximately 3. What do I do with this 3? And 3 squared is 9. What do I write? 2, comma, 9. Let's try another one. This one's just harder because we have a fraction. What do I do first? So 4 divided by 0.67 is approximately what number?
6.
What do I do with the 6?
36.
6 times 6 gives me. So what do I write here?
2.
4, comma, 36. Okay? Let's go ahead and make a quick sketch of this. 0, 0. 1, 2 1/4, so a little bit above $2. 2 and 9. And then 4 and 36 will be above this, right? And then here, to find the symmetrical points, you basically do the same thing. So if we went over 1 and we got $2.25, it'll be left 1, $2.25. For this one, we went 2 and then 9. This will be left 2 and up 9. It's better if you have a colored pencil or a pencil to do this part. And your graph's going to look like that. So find your B value, write your compression, divide by your B value, put it into the parent function square, and then you get an output, and then you can graph it.